Good morning, children. Welcome to today's CBS class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, Home and Abroad. In this chapter, you will learn about desert area, climate and weather of the desert area, currencies used in various foreign countries. Children, what can you imagine when you hear the name of Kerala? Yes, when we hear the name of Kerala, we can imagine a beautiful place full of lush greenery, trees, and rivers. Our Kerala is in the southwest corner of India. Can you see? Where is Kerala? Yes, here is our Kerala. This is our Kerala. It is in the southwest corner of India. It is known as God's own country as it has greenery all around. Many rivers flow through Kerala. Children, now we will discuss about Abu Dhabi. It is entirely different from our India. We know Abu Dhabi is so far from us. Abu Dhabi is located in UAE, United Arab Emirates. Here is UAE. You can see in this picture, this red color, this is UAE, United Arab Emirates. It is an island desert. Abu Dhabi is an island desert. It is one of the richest cities in the world. The area is rich in oil fields. That's why petrol is cheaper than water in countries like Abu Dhabi. Climate and weather. Weather is very hot in Abu Dhabi. People cover their heads in Abu Dhabi to protect themselves from strong sun. People wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered in very hot weather. Trees and plants. It almost never rains in desert. Different types of cactus and dates grow more in Abu Dhabi. Date is the most common fruit in Abu Dhabi. Kinds of buildings. Buildings are tall with many stories and big glass windows. All of them are air conditioned inside and so they cannot open windows. In Abu Dhabi, we see mountains made of sand. Can you see? This is mountains made of sand and these are called sand dunes. This is another picture of sand dune. Mountains made of sand is called sand dune. People speak Arabic and the currency used here is dirham. Do you know, children, which is the currency used in our India? Can you see? Indian rupee. We use Indian rupee in our India. Let's see some currencies used in various countries. First one, USA, United States of America. They use dollars. France, euro. England, pound. Japan, yen. Japan, yen. Saudi Arabia, Saudi Riyal. So, today we discussed about a desert place, Abu Dhabi, climate and weather of Abu Dhabi, currencies used in various foreign countries. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.